Wonder if I should turn this into this. Of course I should. Come join me on this adventure and I'll explain to you why I'm doing it. Hey everyone, welcome to Warrior FPV Adventures. So this is a new thing I'm going to do on the channel. I want to show you the truck that I use to do my drone adventures with and other adventures. I originally bought this 2019 Chevy Colorado a few years ago, but I've done some mods on it now and I want to show you what I've done. I hope you like it. So come along with me and let's go do it. Hey everyone, so this is my new truck. Actually, I bought it a couple years ago, but this is a 2019 Z71 Chevy Colorado in red. And I have lots of plans for it. Some of the things I've already done. This is a work in progress to make a very capable drone truck so that I can go to some of the rougher parts of the country I live in to fly my drone, to explore, and just to have some fun in Mother Nature. Right now I'm showing you the stock truck, but what I'm going to do is show you by putting a lift kit on it, putting bigger tires, and putting rock sliders, among some other mods. I also will do some other stuff in the future that I haven't done yet. I'm also going to do some interior stuff, not a lot. The interior is in fantastic shape, as you can see. Mostly it's stuff to make things more functional, things like that. But I really hope you'll enjoy these videos and hopefully get something out of it, maybe get some ideas of your own. I chose a Chevy Colorado simply because I got a killer deal on it and I read some really good reviews on what can be done. I do need to remove that air dam. That's going to be one of my videos. That thing actually is a pain in the behind. But come along with me and I'll take you on a ride in this thing. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe, tick the little notification bell. And when I release the other videos of the various things I'm doing, you'll be the first to know. If you have comments, please post them below, and ideas, well, I can definitely use ideas. Put those down there as well. I'd love to hear from you. So until the next time, stay safe and have a great adventure.